Do you struggle with LCM? Learn two simple methods to find the least common multiplication, which means LCM, quickly. Let's solve this step by step. So we are trying to solve this LCM by two methods. Method 1, which is prime factorization. Prime factorization. And method 2, it's a very simple, which is division method. Okay, let's start. First question, 9 and 18, we have to find out LCM. So first, find the prime factors. Step 1, find prime factor. Okay, so how? 9 we can write 3 times 3, it means 3 square, right? Now 18 we can write 3 times 3 times 3, it will be 2 times 3 square. Okay, now this 9 and this 18 we are find the prime factors. So take the highest powers of all prime factors, right? So which is, here is 2 and the power is 1, so 2 power 1. Another one is highest power is 3 square and here is 3 square, right? 3 square. Now multiply together. So what will be the result? Here is 2 to the power 1 times 3 square. It means 2 times 3 square means 9 and 18 our result. So we can say, so LCM what 9 and 18 equals to 18, and this is our answer. Number B, we will find LCM 12 and 18. First find the prime factors. So 12 we can write, look, 12 it means 2 divided, it will be 6, 2, it will be 3. So 2 square times 3, right? And 18 similar, just early we solve this one, 2 times 3 square, right? Now take the highest power of all prime factors. So we can write, here is 2 square and here is 3 square. Now multiply together. So 2 square times 3 square. What will be the result? 2 square means 4 times 3 square means what? 9, and result is 36. So we can say LCM 12 and 18 equals to 36. Now let's try by division method. Divide by the smallest prime number that divides at least one of them. So here is 12 and here is 18. We can write this one by row. So we can divide by 2, here is 6 and here is 9. Again divide by 2, so here is 3, 9 cannot divide by 2. And now divide by 3, here is 1 and here is 3. Now divide by 3, here is 1 and here is 1, right? Now multiply all divisivores. So here is all divisivores. So here is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. So what will be the result? 2 times 2 is a 4, 4 times 3 is a 12, 12 times 3 is a 36, and here is also 36. Now again I like to say which one is easy for you, you should follow that one. But one thing, in my opinion, division method you can solve more early than prime factorization, but no doubt both are very important. So number A and number B done. Now number C. 15 and 18. First we have to find out the prime factor. So 15 we can write 3 times 5. 3 is a prime number, 5 also a prime number. 18, 2 times 3 square, right? Now take the highest power of all prime factors. So we can write here is 2, then 3 means 3 square, and here is 5, right? This is the highest power of all prime factors. Here is 3, no power, it means power is 1. Here is 2, no power, it means 1. Now multiply together, it means 2 times 3 square times 5. What will be the result? 2 times 9 times 5. It means 5 times 9 is a 45. 45 times is 2 is a what? 1, 2 is a 90. So LCM 15 and 18 will be 90, right? Now second method, which is division method. So we have to divide by the smallest prime number that divides at least one of them. First we have to write the numbers in row. So 15 and 18. So we can divide by 3, it will be 5, it will be 6. Then divide by 5. So what we will get here is 1, here is 6. Now we can divide by 2, so here is 1 and here is 3. Again we can divide by 3, here is 1 and here is 1. Now multiply all divisibles. So here is, we can write, here is 3 and 3, it means 3 square. So 2 times 5 times 3 times 3, right? So 10, 30, 90. This is our answer. So answer is a same. LCM what? 15 and 18 will be what? 90. Now what about here is 24 and 12? A, B, C done. This one also we can solve in here. No need to. Here is 24 and 12, right? So once we make prime factorization of 24, we can write, look, 24 we can divide by 2, so 12 divide by 2, 6 divide by 2, 3. So it means 2 cube times 3. 2 cube means 8. 8 times 3 is a 24. And here is 12, right? 12 we can do, look, from here start 12. So 2, 2, 3. It means 2 square 3, right? 2 square means 4. 4 times 3 is a 12. Now highest power of all prime factor. Here is highest 2 cube and 3, right? So what will be the answer? Once we multiply, it means 2 cube times 3, it's a 8 times 3, it means 24, and 24 is our LCM of 24 and 12. LCM what? 24, right? Now similar thing, once we make LCM by division method, here is 24 and 12. What will be the result? 24 and 12. Look, we can divide by 2. Here is a 12, here is a 6. We can divide by 2. Here is a 6 and here is a 3. We can divide 3. Here is a 2. Here is a 2 and here is a 1. And we can divide by 2. 1, 1. So what will be the result? Look, here is 2, 2, 2, 3, 2 to the power 3 times here is a 3, 3. So 2 cube means 8 times 3. The result is 24. right? Very easy. So number A, B, C, D done. Now let's start number E. 36 and 9. Prime factorization. Find the prime factor. So 36 equals to 36, we can write, once we divide by 2 it will be 18, divide by 2 9, divide by 3 3, so 2 square times 3 square, right? Now 9 means 3 square. So take the highest power of all prime factors. So highest power 2 square and 3 square, right? So multiply together, 2 square times 3 square. So what will be the result? 2 square means 4 times 3 square means 9. The result is 36. Okay. So LCM is 36. Once we make division, so first we have to write by raw. So 36, 9. First we divide by 2, 18, and here is 9. Divide by 2, 9 and 9. Divide by 2, it's not possible. So 3, 3 and 3. Divide by 3, 1 and 1. So multiply all divisors. So 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. So 4, 12, 36. Right? So this is our answer. Now number F, A, B, C, D, E done. Now number F. Here is 4, 12 and 8. 4, 12 and 8. 4, 12 and 8. First we have to find out the prime factor. 4 we can write 2 square. 12 we can write 2 square times 3, right? And 8 we can write 2 to the power 3. Okay. So now take the highest power of all prime factors. Highest power. Highest power. So what will be the highest power? 2 highest power is 2 cube and 3 highest power is only 3. So now multiply together. So LCM will be 2 to the power 3 times 3. So it will be 8 times 3 and 24. Okay. Now how about division method? Look, here is 4, 12 and 8. So first to divide by 2, here is 2, 6, 4. Again divide by 2, 1, 3, 2. Divide by 2, 1, 3, 1. Divide by 3, 1, 1, 1. So multiply all divisibles. LCM equals to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and times 3. So 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 3, 24. This is our answer. So what? Number F done. Now number G and number H. Now we will start. Number G. Here is 3, 9 and 24. We have to find out the prime factorization. We have find out the LCM by prime factorization. So for prime factorization, these 3 we can write only 3. Right? 3 times 1 it means 3. So just 3 to the power 1. 9 it means 3 square. 24. What can we do? 24. First divide by 2, 12, divide by 2, 6, divide by 2, 3 and divide by 3, 1. So 2 cube times 3. Take the highest power of all prime factors. So highest power here is 2 cube and 3. Right? Now we will multiply. So 2 cube times 3, it will be 2 cube means 8 times 3, it will be 24. Okay. What about division method? This is what? 3, 9 and 24. So 3, 9, 24. First divide by, we can divide by 2. So here is 3, here is 9, here is 12. Again divide by 2, 3, 9, 6. Again divided by 2, 3, 9, 3. Okay. Now we can divide by 3. So here is 1, here is 3, here is 1. And finally we can divide by 3, 1, 1, 1. So multiply all divisors. So divisors once we multiply, we will get LCM. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. So what will be the result? Look, we did a mistake. Which one is? Take the highest powers of all prime factors. I made mistaken. Here should 3 square. So here is 3 square, right? So 8 and 3 square means what? 9, right? And then the result will be 72. So look, here is also same thing. 2 times 2 4, 4 times 2 is a 8, and 3 square or 3 times 3 is a 9. So 8 times 9 is a 72, and this is our answer. I made a big mistake. Apologies for this, pardon me. I hope you understand this one. Once we make step by step, you will find the problem very shortly, right? Now last one, which is 12, 16, 32. So 12, 16, 32, 12 we can write what? 2 square times 3. Then 16 and 32. Our target 12, 16 and 32. 16, it means 2 to the power 4. 32, it means what? 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5, right? 2 to the power 5 is a 32. So what will be the LCM? LCM, we should multiply highest power. It means 2 to the power 5 times 3. It's a 32 times 3. So 3 times 2 is a 6, and 3 times 3 is a 9. It means 96. What about division method? 12, 16, 32. So first divide by 2, 6, 8, 16, right? Divide by 2, 3, 4, 8. Divide by 2, 3, 2, 4. Divide by 2. So 3, here is 1, here is 2, right? So look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 to the power 5, here is times 3. So 32 times 3, it will be 96, and this is our answer. So this video I am trying to find the solution, lots of math based on LCM. So hope it will give you a good practice scenario. This will help you for exam preparation. If you think this video is helping you, please subscribe my channel and don't forget share with others. And if you want, you can share this one any Facebook related math groups. Thank you very much. Next video we will discuss about ACF. Till then, take care. Bye bye.